Good morning, Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. We've got this electronic machine from probably the, I'm going to say early 80s maybe. It's got Sears' name on it, SR here. Stands for Sears Roebuck, I think, 2000 if you look on the back. Sears, was able to put their name on a lot of machines. So, it says Sears here. Bring back the Sears. I don't think you can do that anymore. But it's got a, made in Japan. That stuff was a little better when it's made in Japan. Made in Japan. I can't quite decipher a date code out of here, but this was made by, I'm not sure if it was Nakajima, Japanese company. Probably was. But it was made under a whole bunch of different names. Not just Sears, but I don't know, Swintech, Adler Royal, some other brands were probably on this machine. All of them the same machine. They all basically had the same print carrier, keyboard layout type stuff. Some had, more features. I think some even had a digital screen for memory and stuff. But they usually use this style carrier, 325 ribbon. And the style carrier, this one was repaired. It hadn't been used in a while, and it needed, they call this part an armature. It's like a print hammer, and this piece goes right down in here. You can see it down here. Let me get a little pokey thing so we can. Okay, so this piece has been replaced with this gray piece right there, and that's this hammer solenoid, and then it goes up here and pushes the hammer. See that movement? That piece actually cracks. You can see the cracks in here. There's some visible cracks right where the metal is right there. The four corners of this piece. When that cracks, it just doesn't, it changes it ruins the part. Okay, let's put the ribbon on it. Give this a quick little demonstration, and I'll show you why I'm videotaping. I think this is pretty neat machine. Okay, let's turn her on. Works like every general electronic typewriter, and we got it back working again. It would not print. It would not do that. But it's all fixed. What I found interesting about this guy is it is ready for a computer. Even this Sears machine has got a full port here for what looks like a parallel port for a computer output or input. Computer input here, and this would be used as a printer on probably I guess a DOS-based computer back in the early 80s. And you might have needed, to get this to work, you probably needed maybe a certain cable or another interface. Some were able to go directly to it, and some needed a separate interface. Also on this machine, I'm not sure exactly what this is for, but it's got another port right back here. And this is another pin port. So this is for something else, and I'm not sure if that's a printer port or an options port, but it's definitely a port. And of course it's got the little holes here, so you can run a cable out. It's got a hole on this side too, so you can run the cord out. The cord could run out this side, and the computer cable would run out that side. Pretty nifty. So this is, considering this is a kind of a budget machine, it had options. It had pretty good options. So this is, model doesn't mean much. It's probably Sperry Remington or Sears Roebuck or Sears R2000. The electronic graduate. That's the model. It's a pretty common machine though. Like I said, just wanted to show you those ports on these old electronic machines. Are kind of neat that that they had that option as kind of standard operating procedure. And this machine is ready to be used again. So good day.